What are we doing right now?
Maybe I'm gonna go to the beach and see what the waves are.
Say hi, Kaya.
Hi.
Say hi, Mason.
Hi.
That's our dad.
Yeah.
And today we're on a walk to the beach, and I got my two little pussy with my sister.
Yeah, what is your purse? What is it?
Well, it's a heart.
A heart purse?
Yeah.
And what do you have, Kaya?
Uh,
Well, what's around your neck?
a camera. And it's a kitty camera,
me
like
see.
Hello Kitty.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
All right, well, you walk ahead. I'll record you.
So that's right. Today we have to like go around each other. And we're also kind of like a walk.
It's what?
Kind of like it's a walk, and you can go down the beach.
Yeah.
See, this is where we go. This is where we go.
Do you need help or you got it?
This is the trail. So we have to go down here. And we follow some water down here. When we get to the power,
Look out! Here it comes.
and then my dad just tried to pull out that tree after I swimming. And then he got a big stick. And he tried to make that stick. But that was big. Oh, wait.
Yep.
What were you saying, Ava?
Today is going to be really windy, and I'm going to go up here.
Ava, you know I can't hear you if you don't talk at the camera.
Because, this is a little, path. And I can go backwards. You can go backwards. Should I talk a little louder?
Maybe, because it's really windy.
Mommy, look at that tree. It has a bow.
It has a bow.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It does have a bow. The tree said happy birthday to somebody. No, it
That's what the
doesn't.
tree said.
That's where we down to the beach. And down there, there's a little path to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's like right down there. If you can look at it. Sometimes you can hear it.
You hear how windy it is?
Yeah, and you can also hear the ocean. As I just said, my dad, I sent you those stairwells. He always tries to,
Ooh, look how windy it is.
it's really my ears off.
Put your head up.
Hey, my dad just stabbed me. My ears are
Yeah,
cold.
put your hood up.
It's really cold.
Yeah.
See this? This mess.
Look at that giant log.
See the tree that fell down? Kaya, you see
Look
it?
at the log, guys.
Oh.
There's lots of logs down there. All the trees falling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go catch up.
Actually, we actually saw a snake if you can't hear my sister.
Oh, is that what she said?
Yeah, like 2 times when my dad was with Mason.
Kaya, what do you want Mason to do?
Put it
Walk in the
But I,
water? Go ahead, Mace. No, buddy.
Let's hope that there's no snakes. What if it just jumps up at your face?
Are you going to get in all the way?
Why are you
It's pretty deep. You might
Oh,
slip.
you're gonna drag me.
It's pretty deep.
Oh, I don't know how to get out.
It's almost up to your
You're stuck. All right, let's go.
I just can't. I was joking, Mason. There's more. There's more.
All right, you see the ocean yet?
Yeah. And there's even more. If you guys want to watch us, do it.
Oh, Ava just
Oh, the high tide. It's not gonna. Or you said it's low tide.
low tide.
Yeah, but the wind's gonna push it up. My bad.
Oh,
Yep. Get that on video.
yeah. Say I'm,
It's okay.
say I'm okay. Say I'm okay.
So my sister actually just got hurt. So
She didn't get hurt. She just got wet.
yeah,
How windy is it?
really windy. Hi.
Are you okay? Can we continue?
Yes.
Is it a little windy outside?
Yeah, and I got soap.
There's not Lucy. Where are you at? Show me. You'll be okay. Come on.
No.
Woo! It's windy.
Who's going first? Who wants to hit the beach?
Okay. Go.
Who wants help? Got it, Ava?
Ava, wait for Daddy. He'll come get you.
I don't want to carry.
You don't want him to carry you? You want to go by yourself? Guys, is it a little windy outside?
Oh, it's a piece of seaweed. Anybody hungry?
Find anything good out here?
Yeah, go. Ah.
Oh, you found a shell? Let's see what else we can find. All right.
Who's going?
Right, what are they doing? Watch, Kaya. Watch your daddy's
Yeah,
shell.
wind it. We'll throw it into the wind. Go back. Kinda.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. You find any shells?
All right, Ava, come cave it in. Oh, your mom took all the glory. Oh, there's a big one in front of you, Mason. Oh, so satisfying. some sticks in the water. Who wants to throw a stick in the water? Oh yeah, crabs. All right, we're gonna go look for some crabs.
Okay, Ava. So Ava got cold. So Ava took Mommy's earmuffs and Mommy's gloves because she fell and got her gloves wet. Yeah. Okay. Who's gonna be Trailbreaker?
What is
Oh, Mason's going in the water
again?
again.
Oh, what is that?
Does it just sink down?
It's like a rock.
It's a snake. Oh, it's a snake. It's a snake.
It's a snake.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Mason. Hey.
I'm okay.
He is 12 years old.
It's not 12.
Where's Dad go? He's gone.
He's gonna scare us.
He will be scared.
He won't scare you. He'll scare Mason. Right? Who's Trailbreaker?
But I think my dad's gonna scare me again. Hi.
Silly.
Oh, by the way, it's Kai and Ava and Mason and I told y'all benches.
Don't talk like a baby. What'd you say?
And my mom and benches. And my mom and my dad.
Our adventures.
Our whole entire family's here. Yeah. Right?
Well, our immediate family is. All right, I'm turning it off.
I'm gonna take a picture. He's not scaring us.
No. Oh, look. Do you see the water coming out? That's. Oh, Ava. You okay? You fall again? Do you see the water? Come look.
I took a picture.
Because it's been raining so much.
But no, I took a picture of me. There's no on the mountain.
No.
Take a picture of me.
Oh, I see Daddy.
Where? Bye.
There he is. That's the third time she's fallen. You lost a boot?
Yeah.
Ava. How do you keep losing your shoes?
Your boots are on the wrong side too.
I don't care.
They're wrong.
I don't care.
Hey, I'll beat you.
Hey, you guys go hide and scare Daddy. Go. Let's go. Hey, go.
You're not getting it.
Oh, Mason, go down there with her. Go hide. Scare Daddy.
Oh my gosh. Whew, scared me. Ava, why don't you tell a story about the tree that used to be here? Hold on.
The tree supposed to be upside down.
There was an upside down tree right here.
That's not gonna help him out. What happened here? Explain it. Where's the tree?
Down there.
Yeah, okay.
No, it is that upside down shit.
Mm-hmm.
Hey! I know.
You scare him?
Yeah.
Do you jump?
No.
No.
First shot.